Do you ever wish there was a quicker way of replying to a text or an email? I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com for all my tech updates. That is where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. Did you know there's a text replacement feature on your iPhone where all you have to do is type in a short phrase and presto, your iPhone will replace it with a longer, more elaborate version. Look at this. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and click on General. Next, click on Keyboard and then Text Replacement. Here's where you'll enter your phrases. Click on the plus sign in the upper right corner, and then now just enter the phrase and shortcuts you want to create. For example, BRB for Be Right Back or OMW for On My Way. Hit save and you're all set. Now, when you type the phrase in your email or text message and press return, you'll see that your phone automatically swaps that short phrase out for the longer one you created. And if you ever change your mind and want to delete that shortcut, just go back to the text replacement, locate the shortcut you want to delete, and swipe it to the left. When the delete button appears, click on it. It's like it never even happened. So go ahead and unlock the power of text replacement with this clever shortcut that'll save you time and brain power when you're on the go. Head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.